What I didn't realize was how well you're doing overseas. And this Wolt acquisition would make it seem like that you're just going to accelerate, doubling down on what looks like the fastest growing markets.
It absolutely is an acceleration. Today's announcement in partnership with Wolt is really about accelerating what has already been working, and it represents our long-term investment in building a global business. I mean, you're absolutely right. I mean, our international business, particularly in Canada, Australia, and Japan, are our fastest growing markets. And from third-party estimates, we actually gained meaningful market share in the quarter as well as this year. And with today's news, it really the partnership with Wolt will really lay the foundation for us to operate across over 20 countries, serving 700 million plus people, and gives us the foundation to have single-threaded leadership and focus on building a global business.
How many of those businesses and how many here in the United States are really larger chains that have decided they can't do it themselves? They need DoorDash.
Well, actually, there are chains everywhere, as you stated, but that predominantly is an American story where chains are a big part of the restaurant industry. In a lot of the markets outside of the U.S., particularly in Volt's markets, it's really primarily in concert in building this business together with small, medium-sized businesses. And that's really what I find super inspiring, given the entire mission for DoorDash and for Wolt is to transform local commerce. And we're just thrilled today to be able to announce this news in which we not only find ourselves with a team that shares the same vision to transform local commerce, but also the same values in how we operate. I mean, this at the end of the day is an execution business. It's not a set it and forget it business. And so who we operate with, how we do business, caring about capital efficiency, ripping out every penny of inefficiency, and building a business that obsesses over the customer, that's really what the two teams are about.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Kramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.